Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, enable developer options on Android or screen mirroring on iPhone, and grant screen capture permission when prompted. Use an original USB cable for wired connection or confirm both devices share the same Wi-Fi for wireless. Install platform tools or the mirroring app on your PC so the interface is ready. Once done, connect the phone. Allow any PC authorization prompts. These steps remove software and permission blockers, so the actual mirroring can begin smoothly. Now you initiate the actual capture. For Android, use ADB SCRCPY or a vendor tool. For iPhone, use QuickTime or a compatible app that supports AirPlay. Choose resolution and frame rate to balance clarity and CPU load. Higher rates give smoother motion but require more resources. Start the stream and enable audio forwarding if you want sound on the PC. As you watch, make sure touch input, rotation, and keyboard forwarding behave as expected so control and display match your workflow. To finish, optimize scaling and latency settings, enter full screen on the PC, and confirm orientation locks behave correctly. If the connection drops, first try a different cable or port, restart the mirroring app, and toggle Wi-Fi. Also reinstall drivers or update the phone OS if problems persist. Make sure input forwarding works. Map keyboard and mouse or pair a Bluetooth controller for input. One key troubleshooting tip: restart both devices and reconnect. Many intermittent issues clear with a simple reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.